Hi everybody, it's Mele. How are you? You can also call me #BossMK, and I'm coming live to you from Kauai. We are going to make a quick, it's a very ono chicken. So it's like a Mayo chicken. It's really simple. It's only two ingredients basically, and so. If you're coming in live, please drop a 1 in the comments below. If you're coming in on a replay, drop I miss you below. And if you're new to my show, never saw me before, we're on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Definitely drop new in the comments so I can come around and say hello to you also, because yeah, hello everybody. Hi Toby, welcome. And so yeah, if you've never saw me before, make sure to drop new. I would love to see the new people here, and also the OGs too. So hi Auntie Alberta, Hoku, hello. So basically it's very simple. I have 2 bowls here. One's gonna be for the chicken, one's gonna be for the mayonnaise, and a pan. One's gonna be for the panko. So let's set it up real quick. And if you want to stay tuned, because I'm not only going to make chicken, I'm going to show you how fast dinner can be done. But we're going to do chicken. And if you stay, there's another dish. If you love Filipino food, I'm going to make something really simple. So you get panko. Actually, a little tip. And yeah, I'm coming in from Kauai. If you want to drop in where you're coming in from, I have friends all around the world. There's like over here. Yeah, so because we're on TikTok's all over, Instagram all over, Facebook all over. So definitely, this is a quick tip. Like, I get it from Costco, and I know some of you don't have like huge families. And so, well, our family too. I only have like 3 of us. And so what you do is you buy it big, but you put it in the freezer, because then it will keep. Okay? So we're going to throw this away. And then we're going to get our chicken. And let me see. So, I'm going to bring my bowl over here real quick. Because I'm going to put the chicken in this big bowl. And I've already put the oven on for 400 degrees because it's like an oven fried chicken. Okay? Okie dokie. So we got the chicken over here. I'll grab I keep Hawaii is very humid, so I keep my like, what is this called, spices, in the freezer, because then it keeps the moisture out and they last forever. And so you can get some Lori seasoned salt, season it good. Makes it really ono. You're not gonna believe how easy this chicken is. I know a lot of you request easy recipes, and so here you go. Hi Brooklyn, hi Ruby, welcome. Thank you for the fire emoji, Hoku. Yeah, and if you have questions, you definitely can ask in the comments. Okay, so I'm gonna get some mayonnaise. Hi Maka. I know this may seem awkward, but the first time I ever had this, I was like, oh my gosh, it's like so moist, so ono, like so good. So we are making an oven fried chicken, very simple and easy kind. Okay. So we just did put garlic salt. Oh, I forgot black pepper. I take it back. 3 ingredients. Okay. So Kainoa loves the black pepper, so we have to put. I know we have a lot of busy families on here. Maybe you just pahana, you only get like 10 minutes to make something. So this is one of those dishes that you can just like whip up real fast. And you're gonna just coat them in mayonnaise. And then you're gonna dip it in the panko. That's how easy it is. But make sure your oven is on, okay, already. On 400. And I like to put the skin side up. This will make it like crispy panko. And those of you who watched my like whatchamacall, my shrimp tempura one, that recipe, you can also use panko too, like to make it more crispy if you like. That's more shrimp tempura beer batter kind of batter. Who watched the shrimp tempura one? Like drop me in the comments. Even your 10-year-old can make this. It's so easy. So simple and so easy. So. Hello, Auntie Lola. Thank you for the share. Yeah, if you shared on Facebook, make sure to drop shared in the comments below. And I'll definitely give you a shout out for sure. Oh, Sherry, hi. Oh, thank you for all the hearts. Okay. And then one little secret I can share with you is if you like gravy, thank you Nani for the share. Thank you Brooklyn for the share. If you want gravy for this, a gravy that's so ono. Thank you for the share, Hoku. You're in your kitchen. I am, Rocco. I am in my kitchen. So, what I'm saying now? I forgot. Finally got you live. I know, I haven't been live in a while. I will be live. So, will it fit? Oh my goodness. I have a little broiler pan to like catch all the oil. Maybe, yeah. The kids are outside cleaning their bikes. And what was I gonna say? Oh, gravy. Gravies. Oh yeah, thank you, Erica. So gravy, you can make from scratch. I can teach you that too. But if you want it simple, you just grab brown gravy, like you get the packets, yeah? Grab brown gravy and chicken gravy and you mix it together on the stove, like easy kind. You be trip out. Oh, coming to eat. Yeah, Rocco, come on over. Kainoa guys are Kainoa and Cabela are putting together their parts of their new toys, their bikes. So I'm gonna squeeze in some more chicken in there because the kids aren't here. I'm gonna cook dinner really quick and head over to the gym because I didn't get to go this morning. So, aloha from Maui, aloha. Thank you for dropping where you're coming in from. Oh, we got people from New Zealand over here, from Guam. Yeah, people all over. Okay. That's it. That's all can fit on this thing. So, maybe I'll make sure you chicken with that other one, but. And that's it. And you put it in the oven for 20 minutes. And hey, Tasha. And that will be done. So until it's like a golden brown, like crispy, 20-25 minutes. Oh wait. I got all my stuff in the oven. Who uses their oven for like all their like muffin pans and all the other pans? I think like I carried that on from like living with my auntie folks. But okay, so that's it. That's all preparation for this. And cleanup is easy. And actually, I'm gonna make a quick now Filipino dish if you want to stay. Let me put this away. I'm gonna bag this later. Put this in my fridge. Okay. I got some pork belly. And I'm gonna use this as a rubbish bowl actually. So you get a treat. I'm making 2 dishes in one live today. I'm going to show you how easy and simple it is. So right now I have in there, tomatoes that are boiling, and I'm going to boil it down. So thank you for answering. Yes. Yes, I did use panko. Thank you, Mandy. Okay. So this is like Ilocano kind base of cooking. They use tomatoes as like the base. And so I'm gonna use this as a rubbish bowl. If you're new to the Mele show, cooking show, I always have a rubbish bowl nearby so that I don't have to walk back and forth to the rubbish can. It's much easier, and because I have to clean some vegetables too, and cut some meat. So we are going to multitask basically. How was everyone's day? Hi Mele, hello everyone, finally caught alive again. Jennifer. All the way from the mainland, right? From America. So let's start here. Actually, I'm gonna start with the meat because that one looks really nice. Okay. So I'm gonna use like a belly fat here. Someone gave me a bag of otong, or like long beans, the translated version. So that's the, I was like, I'm just gonna cook it. So I get the one from Costco, pork belly, and I actually cut it like I cut it to smaller pieces, and then I'm all about saving money. Like, if you're all about saving money, like, drop money in the comments below. And then what I do is I bag it into freezer bags and whip it out when I need. Like hamburger to hamburger. I buy it like bulk, I guess you could say. So now you're gonna cut this pork to like thin kind of size. Aloha. Aloha sis, how are you? Liv, you're all the way on the other side. I usually catch you on Facebook, yeah? Hey, Michelle. Hey, Michelle, you gotta do a live with me. Remember, what's that? I forget, what was that dish? And make sure you have a sharp knife when you're cutting pork belly, because when you cook anything, make sure you have a sharp knife. Maybe I'll add a little bit more. A little bit more because I have to make sure there's extra for balon. Meaning for lunch tomorrow. Aloha. Okay, we're going, so I put a little bit of water because I want it to boil down and get soft. So don't put too much water, else you'll be waiting forever for the thing to all boil. So now, okay, so let's clean this. So now we are going to I was gonna cook this last night, but whatchamacallit? I had made bread, homemade bread for the first time. Right, Rocco? They better be washing my back. Oh my gosh. But so last night I was gonna make this, and I was gonna come on live in all transparency. But then whatchamacallit? I ended up I baked some bread, and for the first time in my bread maker, and I was like, oh my god, this is so good. It came up so good. Like, it was like a chewy, almost like a French bread kind of taste, and I was like, damn it, you're good. But so my bread, I was like, oh my gosh, this would be so awesome with some chowder. So I ended up making chowder last night. But I'm here today. So let's clean this baby. So you gotta take the ends off. And actually, so now this is going down this base. Now, this step and the meat step is like the base. If you love Filipino food, like pinakbet or a lot of things, pork and eggplant. This is like the main steps. Making the meat is good, the base is good. Thank you for the share, Roxy and Chris. Appreciate you. Hi, Karen. Then you can cook Filipino food all the time. Okay. So I have the rubbish bowl there. Let me get some garlic. So I just take off the ends, and while that meat is cooking, I clean the ottoman. I remember growing up as a little girl, I would like sit by my mom as she like cleaned whatever, paria or otong, and then oong is like, who remembers oong? Like, we used to go pick that at the mill in the bagasse. Oh, sorry, like it used to be where the shrimp farm is now. It used to be like bagasse piles, and used to grow. I don't know the English name. Help me out. I know it as oong. So that's some kind of mushroom. I know that. You put it in soup. So it's this kind size, okay? Oh, you're getting ready for bed. Liv, are you in the mainland, Liv? I'm on 3 different platforms, so good thing I can read fast. Mushrooms, yes. Auntie, what kind of mushroom is that? Oh. All us kids was put to work, right? Right? Charles, was so good fun. And then we would sit around with our newspaper down on the table with your little paring knife, and you would have to clean off the like all the like dirt, I guess. I don't know. It wasn't really dirt, but right? Who remember those days? So fun. Oyster. Oh, yeah. Oyster mushrooms. Yeah, I learned something new. I only knew that it looked on a word for it. Oh. Yeah. It was so abundant back then. They're everywhere. We would go at the break of dawn and go pick them. That's the only kind of mushrooms I ever picked and ate. Just FYI. Because my mom picked them and ate them. But it's like cooking mushrooms, yeah? Oyster mushrooms, so. It's so, oh no. See? I'll finish with the otong. Oh, you mean the Philippine mushroom? We don't have that kind here. It's so good, better than oyster mushroom. No, yeah, we had oong before. I don't know if that's oyster mushroom. I wish I had another phone so I could Google it. All my devices are taken over here. So, okay. We can put that on the side, put this over here. And we're gonna peel some garlic into our rubbish bowl. And I wish I knew where my garlic press was. Who my brother introduced me to. So I like canned straw mushrooms. Oh, that's good too for like chicken hakaya. I think that's what it was. I don't know. Charles, what's the English word for oong? Oh, here's my garlic press. See how convenient the rubbish bowl gets? It's just everything goes in one place. We're gonna press this garlic right into our dish. I don't know. I know. Oh. Okay. Hey, Chrissy. Hi, Quincy. And Puna, we make garlic mayo chicken, which is already baking, and now I'm making one small kind pork inoto. I'm surprised you're over there. Usually I catch you on Facebook. So live videos will be on Facebook, like the whole version replay, and then I'll make short videos over here on TikTok and Instagram for y'all. Okay? Okay. I like pressed garlic. My brother turned me onto it, so What time is dinner? As soon as possible. But actually, I'm heading to the gym right after this. Making sure my ohana is fed before I leave. You see, it's like a red sauce. Hello, Ink Lady, JIH, Ink Lady. Pressed garlic is the best for flavor. I know, yeah. My brother turned me on to pressed garlic. So awesome. I was wondering why it was like so soft. I was wondering why this thing was dying. Like, it was getting softer and softer. You saw me like looking at the fire. Oh, there. Hana. Stronger. Okay, like, okay, you see how it's like red? That was our movie Mele, right? Yep, near Highway to Mana on the side there. Auntie Becky, you hit it on the spot. I used to go there as a little girl. Okay, for all the other platforms talking about this is what Auntie said. She said that was our movie money. We'd go early in the morning, so true, near the highway to Mana on the side. There would be bagas mounds, which is like cane field. After they like crush the cane in by the mill, they would dump it over there, bagas. And there would be lots of mounds and lots of mushrooms. And we sell them to the Filipino men in the single quarters, sold them for 50 cents a small bag. So cool. Well, I don't remember small quarters when I was little, but I just remember we used to pick them to eat. My mom actually used to go sell them by Kamakani to over there. But I had so much fun like picking oong and cleaning it. Because then, I don't know, I love hanging out with my mom. That's why. That's why. So we're going to let this fry a little bit. And while that's frying, you see how it's like red? I wish you could smell this, all the, like the garlic aromas. So put your black pepper. You like Filipino food? This is your base right here. Well, the Ilocano version of it. So while I'm waiting for that to brown. You get like the behind the scenes of the kitchen, okay? I clearly like choke birds with one stone. I am now gonna pack this pork belly into these bags while that's browning. So like I told you, I buy things in bulk. And I'm gonna label this bag pork belly. Rubbish bowl is convenient. You just throw everything away with one time. Now we're just going to grab this pork belly. And this is browning already, so my auntie, she makes it where like all the oil come out. I don't like it that crispy. So I can grab the pork belly, cut it to what I like, the size, and bag it, and freeze it. Because at Costco, this is like, I think $3.99 at Big Save. Well, Hawaii over here. At the supermarket, it's $7.99. Big difference. Huge difference. You can make bao with this. I don't know. Sinigang soup. Oh my god. Sinigang. Anything sinigang, I think, is the best. I wish you guys could smell my kitchen. It's like the aroma of garlic is in the air. Okay. Let's pop this over there. And this is about done. See, it is browning. Last time I packed this, tongue is going in. I'm only gonna need probably okay. Browning already. Chicken is almost cow. And I should set a timer on this baby. Now, some people like hati, some people like balong, some people like oyster sauce, some people like chicken bouillon. You can use any one. They all kind of, I don't know, taste the same to me, except for, I like to use 3 crab patties, this one, okay, and I'm going to put it inside. As you can see, it's like a orange, soupy kind of, Now I'm gonna put this in. Now, if you had eggplant, you could have put it there at the same time too. Thank you, Michelle. So, and I like to taste the soup because then it tells me if it has enough taste. Okay. Yummy. So let the soup there for about 10 minutes and the otong will be finished. And that's it. So I'll show you guys the, oh wait, let's see. Do more Filipino cooking. Okay. Actually, I had a request to make chicken paella soup with like the noodles, like chicken on rice type noodles. And so I couldn't find paella, just in case you're on here. So that's why I didn't cook it yet. But I already got the noodles. And so, yeah. Let me just check this chicken. And that's it. So I hope you got value today on this live. If you did, make sure to drop a fire emoji in the comments below. And if you did get value, please share. Hit the share button, drop share in the comments below. And make sure to follow me for live video of like cooking tips, positivity, all that. And so definitely on Facebook, there's 3 dots on the right hand side. Hit follow, see first, get live notifications when I go live. And on Instagram and on TikTok, you just hit follow. Like I said, live videos, replays will be on Facebook, TikTok, Instagram. Just a shorter version will be there. Thank you everybody for joining me tonight. Make sure to tell all your friends to join us next time. And so I love and appreciate you all. I'm actually heading to the gym now to take care of me. And so have a good night everybody. Love you.